residents of Opanarangal have raised concerns about the condition of roads, which are being dug up by the electricity department for development works but are not being restored after the completion of the work. They emphasized the need for proper coordination between various departments to ensure timely restoration of the roads. Heaps of garbage including plastic bottles, thermocol and other domestic waste is seen accumulated in the stagnant Nala at Kavlem. The locals said the heavy rains on Saturday carried all the plastic and other waste which had accumulated upstream into Kavlem Nala. The upper part of the Nala originates in Bethora Panchayat and flows down towards Kurti and Ponda town downstream towards Kavlem. 4 cattle died while a calf escaped with minor injuries after being hit by an unknown heavy vehicle near Bhagwati temple along the national highway at Dhavli in the wee hours of Tuesday. The locals demanded that the police conduct a thorough inquiry and nab the accused driver. G.R. Khare College of Law, Margao, is ranked as India's 4th outstanding law schools of excellence, Western region, by the nationwide survey conducted by Competition Success Review while also being ranked at the top law institute in the state. The award was conferred today at a ceremony held at New Delhi to celebrate the Diamond Jubilee of Competition Success Review. Congress and BJP are in a full-blown war over the anti-minority and the anti-constitution statements made by the leaders. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has criticized the statement of Congress South Goa candidate Captain Viryato regarding the constitution while the Congress has taken a dig at Modi for his anti-minority rant. BJP has filed a complaint against South Goa candidate Captain Viryato Fernandes for disrespecting the Indian constitution. BJP has attacked Capt. Fernandes saying that this kind of behavior is completely unacceptable and goes against the very principles of democracy. BJP has submitted a formal complaint letter to the Chief Election Commission, urging them to disqualify the candidate. North Goa Lok Sabha candidate Lamakant Khalab dared to face 20 MLAs as amidst a heated campaign in Goa. Khalpalong with CCP corporator Surendra Furtado, former Santa Cruz MLA Victor Gonsalves and others at Panjim Market as a part of his campaign. Surendra Furtado said that though few workers are campaigning for the party, this will be a silent election and Congress will emerge victorious. In a near-miss moment, a huge boulder came crashing down on top of an excavator which was working for railway double tracking at Shantingar, Vasco. A house that was earlier ordered to be vacated for the railway work also got destroyed during the work. The incident occurred on Tuesday. No one was hurt in the incident. An unknown dead body of male was found floating in the water below the old Pato Bridge in Panjim. Panjim police reached the scene and has initiated investigation. Former computer engineer Edward Mundas is the first farmer in 2024 to have produced a mature apple fruit in Goa, despite its humid climate. Having been the sole distributor of exotic fruits and vegetables in Goa for a Pune-based company after returning from Germany, Mundas has transformed Raicho Ambo, Manora, Raya into a vast apple cultivation area by leasing land and planting over 200 apple trees, perhaps the largest apple plantation in Goa. Hatchlings of olive ridley turtles were released by the Forest Department officials under the guidance of Principal Chief Conservator of Forests and Chief Wildlife Warden, Goa at Agonda Beach. Around 54 hatchlings were released by the forest officers along with tourists and locals. In a dangerous incident, a short circuit occurred in a transformer at Porvorim Chogam Road. The electricity department immediately reached the spot and repaired the transformer. Concerned locals raised questions over the haphazard works done by the department, with wires dangling outside the transformer. Sewage pipeline and the water tanks of houses in Gavaswara locality houses reportedly ruptured due to the negligence of a builder of a construction site in Mapsa. As per reports, the incident occurred on Monday when the workers, while working at the site, unknowingly damaged the pipeline. Goa celebrated the holistic Hanuman Jayanti across the state with great devotion and joy at Hanuman temples on Tuesday. On this prosperous day, devotees thronged to the temples to witness the auspicious birth of Lord Hanuman. Viva Veterans North defeated Bardez Veterans by 4-2 via a tiebreaker and moved into the semi-finals of the Betal Batim Kala Mogi Second All Goa Veterans Football Cup 2024. The exciting match was played on Monday at the Betal Batim ground.